This is just a little video about something I'm working on. I want to be able to pack files together into, say, the 3D matrix images are a file format with a bunch of frames that are packed together. The problem is that it's easy to pack files together using the ready prompt and DOS commands on the drive. But the problem is that the files start with a load address, which means if you try to pack two files together, you get the 2-byte load address stuck between them. So what I want is some kind of a tool that will allow me to take an input file, take an output, specify an output file, and then specify the start offset into the first file and the length of data, and just have it crop out a segment of the file in the middle. So I've been working on this kind of combo basic and assembly language program called file crop, and I have this sample text file which has been produced by a basic script that just has the integers 0 to 255 3 times in a row. So I'm going to start by getting rid of my sample out file, and I will load file crop. So my input file will be sample.txt. My out file is going to be sample.out. My start offset is going to be, I don't know, let's say 25. So that's going to crop the first 25 bytes off the file. And now let's say I want to output, I don't know, let's say 320 bytes. And I get to specify the file type of the output file, so I'll say seek. Okay, so that's done. Now, if I run data check, and I check what is in the original sample.txt, you can see that it starts at 0, and it'll just keep on going all the way up to 255, and then it'll do that 3 times. So now I'll run this and I'll check sample.out. And so you can see that it is immediately, the first byte is 25. So that means that the start offset of 25 cropped 25 bytes, and that's true. It cropped from 0 to 24. Now if I just let this run, boy, the joys of slow basic output. Okay, that was the clear screen Petsky byte that it just hit. Okay, so here we get to 255, and now it wraps again to back to 0. And so there we get up to 88. So if we go 88, if we go 320 minus 88, we get 232. If we go 256 minus 232, we get 24, 0 to 24. So it seems to have saved the correct number of bytes. Pretty cool.